Alright, so I think I'm recording. We've been looking at these exponential functions and looking at different properties, and the specific properties we're looking at right now is the range, the end behavior, and the y-intercept. So our parent function for this graph is e to the x, where this base e is 2.718. So that graph is an increasing function. It has a y-intercept of 1, which has coordinate 0, 1. And the y-intercept is y equals 0. That's the x-axis. The x-axis can be described as the line y equals 0. Well, these three transformations are all in the y-coordinate. The negative sign is going to reflect this graph across the x-axis. So let's and then that's the effect of this negative sign. The 5 is a vertical stretch, so it's stretching away from, yeah, can I select that again? It's stretching away from the x-axis. And then finally the plus 2 is lifting that graph up 2 units to where I know that a rough sketch of this graph, a very rough sketch, here's the line y equals 2. And it's going to look something like this, right? I don't know for sure how it's going to intersect the y-axis, whether it's above or below. I suspect it'll be below the origin because that stretch of 5 is going to be, yeah, because that's negative 5 plus 2, negative 3. Yeah, this is going to be below the x-axis, but we'll determine that right here when we let x equals 0. So right now, for a rough idea of the graph looks like this, and we know the range is coming from below, from negative infinity, and it's increasing all the way up until where it starts to get to 2, and then it gets closer and closer to 2 but never touches it. So from negative infinity to positive 2, that's choice D. Our end behavior on the left here, when x is going to negative infinity, as you move to the left, the y values are approaching positive 2. As you move to the right, the y values are going down really rapidly to negative infinity. So let's see what we have here. As x is approaching positive infinity, y is negative infinity. As x is going to negative infinity, y is equal to 2 now. That's choice F. Alright, so for the y-intercept of any function, you let x equal 0. And so we have e to the 0 power, which is 1. And we've got, so negative 5 times 1 is negative 5. Negative 5 plus 2 is negative 3. So our y-intercept is 0, negative 3. So I hope that helps, and I'll talk to you later.